Have you ever been sitting at home, maybe watching a movie or reading a book, and suddenly you get a whiff of something? Like freshly baked cookies or maybe burnt toast, but there's nothing in the oven? Or perhaps you smell flowers when there are no flowers around? If that's ever happened to you, you're not alone and you're not going crazy. This strange experience is called phantasmia, or a phantom smell. It's like a little glitch in your sensory system, and it's surprisingly common. So what's actually going on when your nose seems to be playing tricks on you? Well, it's not really your nose that's the culprit. It's your brain. Our sense of smell is incredibly complex and is deeply connected to the parts of our brain responsible for memory and emotion. Think about it. A certain scent can instantly transport you back to your childhood, or remind you of a specific person or place. Your brain is constantly processing information from your senses, but sometimes it gets its wires crossed. When your brain doesn't receive clear signals from your olfactory nerves, the nerves that detect smells, it sometimes tries to fill in the blanks. It's like a painter looking at an incomplete sketch and deciding to finish the drawing based on what it thinks should be there. So, your brain might pull a familiar scent from your memory bank and project it into your awareness. This is why phantom smells are often things you've smelled many times before, like coffee, smoke, or even chemical smells. It's your brain making an educated guess to make sense of incomplete sensory data. Several things can trigger these phantom smells. It could be due to something as simple as a sinus infection, allergies, or even a head injury that temporarily messes with your olfactory system. Sometimes, dental problems or exposure to certain chemicals can be a factor. For most people, these experiences are temporary and harmless, just a weird little quirk of our biology. They might last a few minutes or come and go for a few weeks. However, if you're experiencing persistent or very unpleasant phantom smells, it's always a good idea to chat with a doctor just to rule out any underlying issues. Ultimately, experiencing a phantom smell is a fascinating reminder of how powerful and creative our brains are. They don't just passively receive information, they actively interpret and even construct our reality. So the next time you smell ghostly popcorn in your living room, you can just smile and know that your brain is just doing its best to make sense of the world, one guess at a time. It's a pretty cool party trick for your mind, isn't it? Thanks for watching. If you found this interesting, hit that like button and subscribe for more dives into the weird and wonderful world of your own mind. See you next time.